Good morning! Day 8. Ayan, nakagawa na po tayo ng batong ganito. Tulog pa po si Mr. and I am here enjoying the view. Dito tayo sa ocean and they have different kinds of rocks. Nice silahang campers. Good morning! Coffee time! At ito po yung aming view. Ayan, nasa front lang po kami ng ocean. Deb! Hi ka daw, Nan, very good. So, nakapark lang po yan. Maliit lang po yung aming sasakyan tingnan, pero cozy ang sa loob. So, in case emergency, dyan kami sa loob. Naka-set up yan ng maayos. Coffee! Nice kayo siya view. Plaster kayo siya. Oh, grabe. Oh. Check the telescope. Yan. Tingnan natin anong meron dun. A falls. Wow. May falls dun, oh. Quick glance lang yun. Oh, there's lots of shells. Ayan. Here. Ulamin natin. And here also. Ulamin. Here. Oh. Look at that. Dami-dami. Diyan ka na pala. Ready ng kanyang sapatos. Dami. Kainan na. Wow! Foggy! Mashallah! Ooh! Yung aking phone. Sulok-sulok na naman kami. Oh, rough road. Rough road. Saan na naman tayo umabot, Dong? Dito tayo matutulog. Wow, the view. Wow. Nice. One shot. Ang dami pang snow doon, no? Oh. Dito tayo pa picture. Ano to? Historical place. During war. So to when to go? This is a historical place and the main point is the view. Yeah. As you can see, there's still lots of snow on the top of the mountains. Ayun. It's different when you see it in your bare eyes. Huh? Ganda. Huh? Para siyang drawing lang siya na para siyang green screen and then itaplak sa likod. Guide, may papakita ako sa inyo, guide. I'm gonna show you something very interesting. Okay. And we are here in Spekenes Fort. Tama. Sali kami.
Kasfort.
Silaagan. Alright, papunta na naman kami dun sa tuktok ng bundok. Doon. That bukid. Because we can catch reindeers and snow.